This is what spring in Japan does to you. Hey, I'm Nossan. I make things, lots of them. Yeah, this is my avatar. I made it myself. In Japan, cherry blossom bloom around March and April. When they do, the whole country basically switch into festive mode. We call it Hanami. We lay down blue tops, drink, eat, and just hang out under the trees. It's a 1,200 years old tradition. Started with aristocrats looking at plum blooms. Pure, elegant, perfect. Right? Well, here comes the punchline. For the past 30 years, we've been dealing with a national cause. It's not just a sneeze. Your eyes itch like they're full of sand. Your nose runs like a broken faucet, and you can barely breathe. It's a total nightmare. It's a cedar pollen allergy. This isn't just bad luck. It goes back to a post-war national policy. After the war, Japan needed wood, and fast so. The government went all in on cedar. They pushed massive planting project with subsidies. And before we know it, the mountains were covered in them. Why? Because they grow fast, they grow straight, and they're easy to process. It was a perfect plan on paper. But here's the irony. As the economy grew, cheap imported wood flooded in. People stopped managing the forest. The number of foresters plummeted. And cedar trees? They started exploding with pollen after 30 years. It's like a slow-motion time bomb that finally went off. In the city, it's even worse. Pollen hits the asphalt, gets stirred up by cars, and never leaves. They say 40% of us are suffering. Even if you are 10 kilometers away from a forest, it will find you. My grandma's house is deep in the mountains, deeper than any hidden gem I will find on Google Maps. The mountains there were solid green, covered in cedar. As a kid, I thought that's just how natural looked. Looking back, it's unsettling. A forest of ticking allergens. Well, I guess I just ruined your beautiful Japan image. But don't worry. If you were just visiting, you will probably be fine. It only gets you once you would be here long enough. Like me.